Allison, and I have some really good things for you to make today. I'm very excited because the first thing we're going to be making is pizza English muffins. These are my absolute favorite for lunch. Okay, so you'll need a few ingredients to start off with. I'm using the Thomas's English Muffins in the king size. Okay, so Thomas's English Muffins king size are going to be much bigger than the average English muffin. And they're pre-cut, so all I have to do is kind of nudge them open with my hands. Ta-da! Okay, so let me just show you how they should look. Okay. Now these are really easy to make, but you may want to, we don't have a toaster here, but you may want to toast them lightly first because that gives them sort of a crunch. Okay. So you'll just need a few ingredients for this. Oregano is one of them. Mozzarella cheese is another. And tomato sauce or pasta sauce. I bought Paul Newman tomato and basil because this is one of my favorite pasta sauces. And I love everything that Paul Newman makes. Okay. Let me just get this bag open. Oops. Okay, so mozzarella cheese works best, but you can put other kinds of cheeses on it too. Let me open it with a knife. Maybe that'll work a little better. Oh, there we go. Okay, the first thing that you want to put on your pizza English muffins is the tomato sauce. Okay. So I'm going to put the tomato sauce on and get all the nice nooks and crannies. Okay, I don't want to put too much on, but I tend to like a lot of sauce. So that's number one. Whoops. Okay, that's number two. Now I'm going to put some of my mozzarella cheese on. And if you like cheese, you can put on as much as you'd like. I like a medium amount of cheese. Always put the cheese on after the tomato sauce. A couple of times I've done it the other way around and it does not taste so great. Okay, so I have my pizza English muffins and I can put some sauce on the top if I want, or if you want, you can do that. I'm just gonna leave it as is. But I don't want to forget my oregano. This kind of gives the pizza that spice that you need. Oh, I love the way it smells. Okay, I like a lot, so I'm putting a lot on. Okay, let me just put the top on my pasta sauce. Okay, now what I would recommend is heating these in the oven or cooking them in the oven on bake 350 for 5 to 8 minutes. You'll get a nice crunchy English muffin, and your tomato sauce and cheese should be hot as well. You can also tell by the cheese melting. I'm gonna put my pizza English muffin in a microwave, and you'll see what happens. So while we wait for that, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing next. And it involves fruit. We are gonna be making a smoothie or fruit mix. And I have these beautiful I have this beautiful fruit cut up. The English muffins are just taking a little bit of time. Okay, we're gonna be using something called a NutriBullet to, whoops. We're gonna be using a NutriBullet to mix up our fruit, and it will taste delicious, I guarantee it. Oh, there's the microwave. Okay, so here we go. Here are our pizza English muffins. Yum. Okay, but don't forget the best way to cook your pizza English muffins is to put them in the oven, as I mentioned before, and bake them at 350 degrees for about 8 minutes. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take some fruit. I've got a lot of fruit here. Let me just show you. There are orange, strawberry, pineapple. We have a lot of beautiful fruit here. So what I'm gonna do is start putting the fruit in here. I'm gonna start with the oranges. Remember to keep your fruit refrigerated before you start. It should be in the refrigerator for about 2 hours before you start. I love pineapple, so I'm gonna use a lot of pineapple, and I also love strawberries. So I'm gonna use a lot of strawberries. And kiwi is great, so let me put some kiwi in here. And again, I'm picking out the pineapple and the strawberries. There's a lot of melon in here, which is also good. And I also think I'm gonna put a few grapes in. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna be putting the melon in, but let's see. I have about a half a cut of the NutriBullet. Okay, now I am going to just put the bottom in and tighten it. Okay, so here's my NutriBullet, and I'm going to turn it on. Okay. You may like your smoothies thick or thin. The more you spin the NutriBullet, the more power you give it, the smoother it will be. Okay, yum. Okay, some of my pineapple is a little chunky. Okay. So it should look like this. It's pink. You can add ice to it if you like it really cold. Okay, so here we go. It's really delicious. I can taste the strawberry and I have chunks of pineapple. for joining me today. I hope you're able to make a pizza English muffin and a smoothie. Don't forget to chill your fruit about 2 to 3 hours before you start. And don't forget to put your pizza English muffins in the oven at 350 for 8 minutes. Bye.